Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Alpasha and Chaitanya Sir. A round of applause for Ms. Alpasha for being with us.
This is Chaitanya Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, and finally we have completed 6 years, and today is 6th year annual awards, We and E4BM Awards Achievers Awards today. Today we have in the entire day we will be having a jury session, we will be having a panel discussion on what is the contribution of entrepreneurs towards Indian economy. Then we have wonderful financial freedom session by Alpa Shah from Empower Education, and then finally we will be having a lot of felicitations and awards. These awards were completely strictly jurified, and we had lovely jury, we had very lovely jury session last week, that is on 18th. We had this Dr. Anil Kumar Garg, Neelam Kumar ma'am, Nandita Puri ma'am, Sharon Prabhakar, they are all our jury members, Raja Lakshmi Joshi, Gargi Nandi, then Mr. Rajesh Manik. So these were our jury, and they had wonderfully, I have lots of thanks, my gratitude to all of them who have come forward and supported us. Our associate partners for today are Sapphire Organic Foods, Pujya Divine, we have Uprise Grow, Empower Education. They have been supporting today. We have various other supporting partners. Thanks to all of them. And yes, all the best to all our nominees who have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
Namaste, good afternoon, and Vande Mataram. I am Rajalakshmi Joshi, and I am a corporate advisory board member of We, and I am so proud to be a part of We. And hats off to Chaitanya for making such a wonderful initiative, where not only did she grew this entire team, and she has supported it so beautifully. And I try to be a part of every event that happens at We. And I myself, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an architect and interior designer, and I'm also a national media panelist on a lot of national media channels as as a political analyst, as a social entrepreneur, and I speak on women's issues and also about strategic affairs and defense affairs, etc. So I myself, being an entrepreneur, I've always wanted to promote women entrepreneurs, especially entrepreneurs in general also. And it gives me such a great feeling of pride to see so many women entrepreneurs here, and that also this organization is growing from strength to strength to strength, and Chaitanya is taking along with her so many young entrepreneurs and so many new and enterprising people, and it gives us such a nice, inspiring feeling every time I come here. They expect me to be speaking and inspiring them, but actually I go away inspired. And today I am also a jury member for the E4BM Achievers Awards 2024, and I can't tell you how amazed I was to see the number of entries and to see the kind of entries. Such a lovely mix of entrepreneurs here. There were social entrepreneurs as well as people who are doing business, and I've always been happy, and I feel even more motivated. I myself am a motivational speaker, but to tell you the truth, I feel motivated when I see the kind of work that these women are doing. So, and let me tell you, there has been absolute transparency. Me myself being one of the jury members, I can tell you there was absolute transparency. I did not know the people I was judging, and Chaitanya makes it a point that each one of them is considered on some very strict and rigid, it's a very transparent process. There are a lot of aspects that we look into, and also as the corporate advisory board member, I've had such a wonderful experience of meeting, interacting with so many other people, and I have been able to mentor to whatever little bit, but then like I said before, I go away inspired and motivated. So it's been a wonderful journey, and I wish Chaitali and we and all of us a great, lovely journey ahead. So thank you all of you for being a part of all of this, and love you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Ruchi Srivastava. I'm owner of Vedi Tattva Ayurvedic Beauty Care Products. I'm making face wash, creams, oils, lots of products.
Share about your work and how it is helping to the self.
वर्ड को ज़्यादा सुंदर बनाने के लिए तो फेस वॉश ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स है लाइक फेस वॉश शैम्पूज़ वगैरह जो हेयर फॉल का इश्यूज़ होते हैं उसको क्योर करता है. फेस पे अगर पिंपल रिंकल इन सब का भी फेस वॉश क्रीम्स वगैरह है मेरे पास. ग्रेट. स्टार्टिंग टू अभी तक बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है मेरा, और वी के साथ जैसा वी ग्रो हो रहा है वैसे मेरा भी काम ग्रो हो रहा है. मस्ट जॉइन वी, और वी के साथ जितना आप रहोगे और जितना कांटेक्ट में रहोगे चैताली, स्पेशली चैताली, तो वो मतलब बहुत अच्छे से प्रमोट करते हैं और बहुत अच्छा उनका रिस्पांस रहता है. हर चीज़ को अटेंड करने से लेके सब कुछ उनका बहुत अच्छा रहता है. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, this is Alpasha, social entrepreneur, author and finance professional. I'm the founder of Empower Education and managing trustee Freedom Foundation. Very recently, I have been given the opportunity and responsibility at MSME and SME Startup Forum Bharat for guiding women entrepreneurs cell. Sure. So I personally feel that we are right now at right time, right place, which is in Bharat, India. And women, who is the 50% population in our country, and we are going to be the youngest country in the world. And entrepreneurship is at its best. So my message to all the women entrepreneurs here is that be innovative, take charge of your life, finances, look after your health, mental as well as physical, and please be a very successful women entrepreneur with proper mentor and guide in your life. Do a lot of networking, collaborations, and be a very, very successful women entrepreneur.
Namaskar, hi, hello, I'm Gargi, and since I'm at Weave, it's an enclave for women entrepreneurs, so I'll start with our business part. We run a film school and we are running it since 2006. We run courses, filmmaking, cinematography, script writing and all sorts of courses in Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. Presently, there's a batch starting in Delhi from 4th May, and end of May there's a batch in Bangalore. So yes, it's been a long journey, and as a person who started, yes, it's been a difficult. Business is something, you grow a little, again there's a fall. Post-COVID, there are so much shocks. So to run a business, you have to be capable of absorbing shocks. If you can't absorb shocks, you can't be an entrepreneur. So it's a difficult journey, lot of challenges. You call it difficulty, you call it challenges. You'll fall down, you'll crawl, you get up, you run, and you're running, suddenly so that's the path, it's been. And with we, I think, Chaitali, this is a great initiative, to bring women together. And women especially, yes, today women are growing, they're doing a lot. But women, problem is they do still face biased perceptions. They have to strike a balance between work and family. Whatever they are doing outside, they are expected to do at home. So there is some bias still working. There are male dominant fields so where women suffer biases, but still women are doing very well. As per a study, there are in Bain & Co. there's 15.7 million women enterprises in this country, and in last 5 years, women startups have grown up. It was around, I think, 10% in 2017. Now it is 18%. So it's great. And being a jury for we, it's been great. It's been great being associated with we, knowing so many women who have taken up challenges, doing great work, whether it is food, beverages, travel tourism, fashion, cosmetics. So it's great being with all those women. Being a jury, I had one experience which I want to share, you know. I mean, people who have such great revenues and turnovers, when they're writing about themselves, I don't know why they are lazy. Sometimes they're very lazy. I want to share for all the women who nominate themselves later. You know, some people have an attitude, the entrepreneurs, that I know what I'm doing, so the world knows. But the world may not know. When a paper comes to the jury, you are judging by what is written. And I got a paper where it is only handwritten. So how do I, it's so difficult to read, at least give her printed material for us now. And it's sometimes like, oh, I'm doing so great that I saw the turnover. She's getting an award, but I judged it on turnover thing. But very reluctant to present yourself. So don't have an attitude that you know, so the world knows. You have to present yourself. And today's world, you know, it's an information war. Everybody is fighting to get the limelight. So you have to, when you're writing about yourself, please take care that you make proper presentation and tell. That's my experience as a jury, and I want to. And thank you, Chaitali, again. Thank you. You're doing a great job. Thank you. And I think a big cheers for all the women entrepreneurs.
Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Chani Modi, a principal architect, CEO, founder of Majestic Interiors. We are in this field from past 12 years and we worked on various diverse range of projects like residential, commercial, hotels, bank, restaurants, spa, and many more. We have a lot of projects ongoing projects like residential in Chembur, Kandivali, Pune. Also, we have restaurant project going on in Vileparle. We work pan-India basically. And we work with lot of contractors, suppliers, and everyone. Thank you. Experience, I am connected with me from past 8 months, and I have been invited for many awards, ceremonies, events. V has really helped me grow from getting new clients and making me reach at a point where I was never before. V helped me in making me reach at a level where I was not before. She helped me introduce to many different people, media, and it is really supportive. I really thank Chaitali Chatterjee for introducing me to so many people. Entrepreneurs, I know many people who are still struggling to be an entrepreneur, but what I go by, just trust your process, just be your learning power should be so strong that you can reach at that level. So it's never too late to start. Thank you so much.
हिमा त्रिवेदी, मैं अपराइज ग्रो की फाउंडर हूँ और मेरा बिजनेस रिलेटेड है फाइनेंस एंड वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट का. एंड सोसाइटी में मैंने भी ये जब स्टार्ट किया था, जब कोविड में मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को फाइनेंशियली देखा था कि वो स्ट्रेसफुल थे. दैट्स वाई मुझे लगा कि उनकी ये स्ट्रेसनेस दूर करनी चाहिए. और वी के साथ जो मेरा कनेक्शन है, चैताली मैम के साथ, आज मैं 1 साल से जुड़ी हूँ. उनके साथ जो कनेक्शन मेरा अपग्रेड हुआ है, थैंक्स फॉर चैताली मैम, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो मुझे इतने अच्छे से मोटिवेट किया है ना, वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. और लास्ट
Your experience with
वी का एक्सपीरियंस मैं ही बता रही थी. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए मैसेज है कि लाइफ में कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है. एवरीथिंग, अगर किसी ने कुछ ठान लिया है ना, शिद्दत से करना चाहता है तो वो कर सकता है. यू कैन डू इट. हाँ, वी प्लेटफॉर्म को ज्वाइन कीजिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चैताली मैम को सबसे पहले ज्वाइन कीजिए.
I'm Ruby Bhatia. I'm an anchor, actor, and a life coach. I help women in particular with their weight loss, with their fitness, and with their mental, physical, and spiritual health. I'm also a mother of 2. और आज मैं first time यहाँ पर आई हूँ, second time आई हूँ with WEE. We is some amazing organization that is doing great work for women entrepreneurs and now for men entrepreneurs as well. और मुझे वी में आके इतना अच्छा लगता है because Chaitali ji is encouraging all women and even men to pursue their dreams. तो अगर आप एक entrepreneur हैं या आप बनना चाहते हैं, then don't wait. Just do it. Believe in your dreams, work hard for them, and they will come true. This is Ruby Bhatia, Insta and YouTube at @Ruby Bhatia 123.
Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Anil Gargia. I'm a motivational speaker, sales guru. I'm having my own company, Finco, and I'm also associated with Art of Living. But here I have come as a board member of WEE, WEE. Yeah.
So you were honorable jury of E4 BA Activist Award 2022. So please share your experience.
Yeah. See, I have been visiting many award functions as a jury, but one difference I found here and in other places was that Chaitali has given complete freedom to us to decide on awards. Normally, what happens when we go to other award functions, they issue a guidelines and you have to work on those guidelines. But here, no guideline was issued. Chaitali said, if you have said 10 nominations, if you want to give award to all 10 nominations, you can give 10. If you want to give one, give one. If you want to give two, give two. If you don't want to give any award, it's okay. So that's a kind of freedom I experienced here, and that is really amazing, and it shows the transparency in the award system. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Sir, please share your experience with we as an advisory board member.
Yeah. See, when we started, I think 10, 12 years back, Chaitali called me and she requested me that I would like you to be a board member. I said, yes, why not? Because she was my student and I am proud of her for so many years. So, I joined as a board member, and I think when we started there were only 5 members. But now the way the V is growing, it gives me further, delight and happiness. I think more than 10,000 members are there in V now, and V is not only in India, but V is flying its wing in outside India also. So I feel very proud to have associated with V as a advisory board member. And I wish all the best to Chaitali and V for further growth and a time to come when she will fly very high in the sky, I am sure about it.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Modi. Company name is Sapphire Foods, and we are into organic groceries, daily essentials. We deliver pan India, and we have more than 200 plus products. The best part is what about us is we have our own organic farm, which is in MP Jabalpur. So we grow there and we directly sell to the customers.
Share about your work and how it is helping to the society.
So about the work, we are into B2B and we are into B2C, and as well as we have started our export to various countries. So it has helped with, nowadays if you've seen in Corona that a lot of people are having health issues. So day by day now they are more health conscious. So they have switched from non-organic to organic. So that's how we do, and we have the certification with us. And we are associated with a lot of nutritionists, gynec doctors. So they help us and they tell them to eat organic. So that is how we are growing day by day, and we are helping others to eat organic groceries.
Okay, your experience with we.
So it's almost now been 6 months we are associated with we, and we has taken us to another level where we are day by day growing. And I'll tell most important thing with Chaitali Chatterjee is helping a lot, and she is always behind me. Rahul, you can do this, Rahul, you can do this, come this event, put the stall. So she always behind, and she always take care of each and every member personally. And we is in 6 months as we associated with V, so V has taken to the level where we could not able to reach. And of course, we are now associated with more than 9,000 plus women entrepreneurs. So that is helping our business, because our business is all about the women entrepreneurs.
Yeah. Message to entrepreneurs.
Message to entrepreneurs, I would like to say that eat healthy food, stay healthy, do yoga and do meditations. That will keep you always healthy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vidisha Ghosh Sharma. I am an actor, writer, hobby singer and a home baker. And my experience with V has been extremely nice. I think Chaitali has done an amazing job in founding this organization, which encourages entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, and now men have joined the consortium. And she's really helping everyone encourage each other, do networking and grow their business far and wide. It's a beautiful platform, and I think she's doing an amazing job. Today, of course, everyone is going to be awarded, so I'm looking forward to the event. And yeah. My present projects, my last project was a very good show called Katha and Kahi on Sony, and I've done a character role in Criminal Justice, which is going to be released end of this year, most probably. But currently just looking for work. Right now I'm concentrating on my writing work. I'm writing screenplays, working on shorts, and trying to pitch my scripts, to people, whoever wants to take it. And yeah, my message to entrepreneurs is just believe in yourself, keep working hard, have faith in your abilities, use this platform for as much networking as possible. Everyone is there to help you. This is a very friendly platform where you get a lot of advice and goodwill. So all the best to all the entrepreneurs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
हरे कृष्णा आत्मा नमस्ते. मैं हूँ डॉक्टर पूजा बी वर्मा. आई एम एन इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, सेलिब्रिटी अवार्ड विनिंग क्लैरिवॉयंट, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट एंड ऑल्सो एन इंटरनेशनल यूथ आइकॉन.
So share about your work and how it is helping to the society.
So, see, I started my career as a media person, and I worked for around 20-25 years in the Bollywood film industry, and then I thought that there was something incomplete. तो कुछ लाइफ में और भी है ज़्यादा. जब तुम्हारे पास जब प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो वो प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों आती है, इसलिए मैंने स्पिरिचुअलिज्म को चूज़ किया. एक्सक्यूज़ मी, प्लीज़ क्लोज द डोर. इसलिए मैंने स्पिरिचुअलिज्म को चूज़ किया, एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी से मैंने जाना कि वी आर नॉट दिस बॉडी, वी आर सोल, एंड सनातन धर्म को अपनाया. उससे वेदों का प्रैक्टिस ज्ञान को प्राप्त किया, लर्निंग्स की. अभी भी मैं बहुत रीडिंग्स कर रही हूँ, वेदों के बारे में पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ. और उसके बाद द लाइफ वेंट डाउन एंड पता चला कि वी हैव टेकन दिस बर्थ टू स्प्रेड लव, टू स्प्रेड कंपैशन, एंड आई थिंक एक लव ही है जो सबसे पावरफुल वेपन है जिससे आप हर कुछ पा सकते हो, चाहे वो आपके जॉब के लिए हो, चाहे वो सेल्फ केयर हो, वो चाहे किसी की हेल्प के लिए हो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सोशल एक्टिविटीज़. बट आई थिंक लव इज़ द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वेपन, और वही मैंने किया. जब मुझे कोई पूछता है कि आप क्या करती हो, तो मैं कहती हूँ कि आई लव पीपल, एंड मैं प्रेम करती हूँ. यही मेरा आंसर रहता है.
Your experience with वी.
वी से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं कहूँगी मैं ऐसे कहूँगी कि दिस इज़ जैसे एक ऑक्सीजन. वाई दिस इज़ एन ऑक्सीजन? बिकॉज पूज्या डिवाइन तो ऑलरेडी बॉर्न था, एंड वर्क वॉज हैपनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन. बट एक कंफर्ट जोन में हम अपने आप को ब्रांड करना, दिखना, ये नहीं पे अटेंशन करते हैं. बिकॉज कितने लोग हैं जो बहुत काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन वो किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है. लेकिन वी की प्लेटफॉर्म में चैताली जैसे चैताली जी जैसे जो हमें अपलिफ्ट करते हैं, एक वुमेन ही दूसरे वुमेन को बहुत स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट करती हैं, तो वो वी का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा एक लाइक अ फैमिली हो गया. मतलब इट्स एज आई टोल्ड, इट्स लाइक एन ऑक्सीजन. यू कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट एन ऑक्सीजन, सो यू कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट वी सपोर्ट.
Message to entrepreneurs.
हाँ, एंटरप्रेनर्स को मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी, स्पेशली वुमेन एंटरप्रेनर्स को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि देयर इज़ नथिंग टू फियर. यू हैव टू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ डियर. डोंट फियर योर सेल्फ डियर. वाई? बिकॉज अगर आप देखेंगे, शक्ति, समृद्धि, शक्ति और संपत्ति तीनों एक नारी ही है, तो इसके बगैर तो पूरी लाइफ ही अधूरी है. तो जब सब कुछ आप ही के अंदर है, सो यू जस्ट हैव टू नॉट फियर एनीबडी. गेट होल्ड ऑफ योर सेल्फ, लव योर सेल्फ, and do whatever you're doing with full confidence.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Neelam Kumar. I'm a best-selling author of 11 books. I have been also a life skills coach for the last 20 years at Odar. Before this, I have been DGM Corporate Affairs of India's largest steel company, Steel Authority of India Limited, and now I'm really proud to be here at the We function.
Your current project.
So I have written books that are inspirational, motivational, life transforming. For example, To Cancer with Love, which was India's first joyous book on cancer. And it became such a popular book, started helping so many people around the globe, that two legends, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Ratan Tata, decided to fund it. So that's how my book to Cancer with Love, a graphic novel, came about, and then followed many, many other books. The current project that I have worked on, it is in the press, is a very interesting one. It is a book that is called Wi-Fi and Wisdom, Your Times and Our Times. I have co-written it with my 16-year-old grandson, and I have talked about how we can bridge the gap between the youngsters and the seniors. So the book will be out very soon, and it's a very interesting book, so do read it.
Okay, thank you very much. Ma'am, you are the honorable jury for delivering E4BM Activist Award 2022. Please share your experience for that.
So my experience as a jury has been a very happy one. You know, when we were trying to mark the entries, I was stunned at the power women have of overcoming all odds, all struggles, and yet powering forth. So, you know, when I read of these stories of women who live in a patriarchal society but who have had the courage to come out of their homes, learn, earn, and become role models for others, I felt proud to be a woman. You'll see who the winners are today. We might have only a few winners who will get the trophies, but I can assure you, every woman who has started a business here through the platform of WEE is a winner and a role model for all.
Thank you. Ma'am, please share your experience with WE as an advisory board member.
So I'm very proud to be one of the founder members. You know, in 2018, when I came here, I was invited and I wondered what it would be all about. But then, when I saw the kind of passion that women, these small income women, you know, who were operating from their homes and now wanted a bigger avenue, I said, you know, everyone talks about women's empowerment, but there is one woman, Chaitali Goswami, who actually walks the talk. So her mission matched with my mission, and I think I have been here in most of her functions whenever time has allowed, and I'm very, very proud of the way WE is going.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.